Here I've got CUBOT X30 and let me show you how to activate or deactivate spell checker on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select system. Here click on languages and input and go to virtual keyboard. Now select Gboard and here you will notice text correction. So just mark it, go to the very bottom of the list and here you will find spell check. So you can smoothly activate it or reactivate it by tapping on the switcher. Once the indicator is active, it means that your spell check is on, and then if you will switch it off, it will not mark your misspelled words. So it's up to you. I will stay with it, and that would be all. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.